All right, what are we about to do now?
It looks like an interior rib, but it's not. It's just a seated interior thoracic. So he's gonna breathe in. He's gonna breathe out. Lean back. That's nice, huh?
Sounds fun.
It actually is. It feels good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And then this, if you can't tell, he's got a little muscle structure up here. So kind of like with a patient earlier today who's not quite your height, but similar muscle structure. You guys, your traps and neck take a beating sometimes just from the additional strength. So we do the same thing. We adjust it this way rather than trying to muscle into it with my hands.
Yeah, it's definitely distancing up first.
Yeah. We're still adjusting my hand, but this does the job to get it so I can do something. Otherwise, we don't get a very good adjustment, man.
So everybody else we see this with on the very end, but because there's so much muscle,
We do it
use this
first.
as a pre-adjustment.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Pretty tender on that side today.
Yeah.
Feels like it. So even though I'm using an instrument, the way it rebounds back in my hand, if it feels real gentle or soft, that muscle's giving into it, the bones are moving. If it's rebounding pretty hard, then the muscles are in just kind of a state of tetany and just having a difficult time moving.